basag block. Lang talaga ginagawa ni Jade. Playing with that serve, Gloria with that setup. Chris from the back row, that works for Chris. That is point number 3 for Hernandez.
Long, giving the chance of Hernandez just to off speed in that long middle. They're giving so much free points to NU.
Ordiales with that serve. Cross court was Yoyong. Oh! That stays alive. Gloria with an out of system adjustment. That is point number 8 for Eugene.
LSU in terms of receiving has been spectacular. That was kind of a perfect set for Gloria. We can see the aggressive and the sense of urgency.
They're fired up.
Because even though they have 8 errors, they're compensating it into the attacks, and that's good.
Really trying to figure things out. Off the block there was Desquitado. Isa with that push. Tied at 21. Tough moments here. This could go either way. Popped up there by Flores. Hernandez. Oh, the block goes out for NU. That's going to be a point for LaSalle. This could be pivotal.
See the threat of Isa Hosseini in front na hindi nila mapitawan pag nasa gitna siya. That's giving the wingers of the LSU more time.
Desquitado with that serve. That's picked up there by Etiro. Oh, what a hit coming from Isa. Let's see how NU will answer. They retaliate with Budin, but he's denied. Budin giving up a chance ball. Picked up there by Hosseini. Hernandez will try. Oh, what a time to be alive for Chris Hernandez.
We are just Hernandez picking up his game in the perfect timing of this set.
Just when they needed him the most. That is point number 5 for Chris. To all of us. Hernandez with the serve. They go up to Chris. That's popped up there by Jade. Woods from the left. Gloria from the back. He's denied by the triple block. Overshoot. Oh! Ancheta losing that one against Chris Hernandez.
Na tumalon si Ancheta before pushing. And that's the technique of Jaws. Aantayin mo talaga na yung opponent mo na ang maunang dumiin bago ka dumiin.
Para sasagutin mo ng Paulo Layog.
Now we have Gloria in front. And Mendoza.
Hernandez with that serve. Ancheta going up to Ordiales. Oh! Nobody home for coverage. And that gives...
Are getting their grooves here. And NU doesn't have a room for complacency as they are fighting for their twice-to-beat advantage in this game.
And they know if there's a team that can surprise them, it is the Green Spikers. It is...